How to make videos loop on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Once you have opened the camera on your phone, you will find yourself on the camera screen. Now, tap on this arrow over here. Once you have done it, go to this icon on the bottom panel. Tap on it. Now turn on this live feature on your iPhone. After that, take a picture on your phone. Once you're done, tap on Gallery at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, go to this live photo icon over here. You will see some options over here. Tap on the loop option. After saving the video, you will notice the video is now on loop. Now, the video will be played on loop. You can also explore other features, like bounce, long exposure, etc. by following the same procedure. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily make the video loop on your iPhone.